Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by confirming your iPhone is updated and backed up. This prevents data loss if you need deeper fixes. Open Settings, verify iOS is current, then run a full iCloud or Finder/iTunes backup. Next, close background apps and toggle off location and Bluetooth to reduce load while you test. Once done, go to Settings Battery Health to read maximum capacity and peak performance capability. This gives immediate diagnostic numbers you'll act on next. Now you'll interpret the battery health screen. Maximum capacity under -80% indicates notable wear. Peak performance capability flags throttling. If capacity is borderline, enable low power mode and recalibrate by letting the phone drain to 0 and charging uninterrupted to 100%, which refines reporting. Make sure apps are updated. Inspect Settings battery usage to find culprits. If software seems to cause drain, use Settings General Transfer or reset all settings before considering hardware replacement. Finish by deciding between continued software fixes and a battery replacement. If maximum capacity is below 80% or you face unexpected shutdowns, schedule an Apple or authorized service battery replacement. This restores original performance. Make sure any repair uses genuine parts to protect safety and warranty. After service, restore your backup and recheck battery health. If problems persist after replacement, perform a full restore from backup or contact Apple support for deeper diagnostics. This single troubleshooting step resolves most stubborn issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.